Welcome to the 8th and final video of the IoT in Practice workshop. We have one last task to complete, adding a display to our system. If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Arduino Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Arduino Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it, you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections. Let's start by connecting the screen to our existing setup. While the diagram shows a 2.13-inch screen, we are using a 2.9-inch version for this project. Don't worry, the connection process is exactly the same for both. Next, install this library. This might take a few minutes. Open the EPD test example and uncomment the section corresponding to your specific display version. After uploading the code, the screen should look like this. Now let's merge the sensor reading code with the MQTT communication and the display handling scripts. The code is thoroughly commented, so I encourage you to study it on your own. We won't go through every detail here, but we will do a quick walkthrough. We start by importing the necessary libraries and defining variables for MQTT, the display and the sensors. We also define the function prototypes we will be using and configure the devices. The main logic reads the data, sends it to the broker, and shows it on the display. The function bodies are located at the end of the script. Finally, let's connect to the broker to verify that the communication is working correctly. Specifically, that the data is being sent and that the server is using it to calculate the comfort level and publish it to the comfort topic.